Hello everyone, and welcome to Building with My PC. Mitch! It's gonna be a weird video.
Uh-oh. Come in your car, come in your house. Go to work, you're an hour late.
Oh yeah, I'm an hour late to work. But that's besides the point. On to the next thing that we're gonna do. So yeah, now we're gonna go and try to get the case now. And wait another fucking couple days. All right, and whapa. All right, Michi, this is all the shit that we got. How do you feel today?
This is gonna take 6 hours.
This is gonna take a very long time. We got a camera there that I was probably just blocking, but it doesn't matter anymore.
It's 9:30. We'll come back when it's done.
Yeah, we're basically gonna come back when it's done.
2 o'clock in the morning. Oh, I slept really hard. My hands hurt.
Okay, good. Hi. This is me in the beginning, and hopefully we'll get some footage in the middle of it with this mic, because I'm not gonna set up the mic with that one over there, because I'm lazy, and plus it took me a long time to do everything else anyways. So
I hope there's no problems.
I really hope there's gonna be no problems and that everything's gonna turn out fantastic. We'll see how that goes. This is gonna end completely well. He's so tiny. He's so tiny. Look at him. He's so adorable. All right. Okay. We're gonna go back. Okay. We're on the CPU cooler now. He managed all the cables, and he's watching House, and I got him coffee. That's a thing that happened. Yeah.
Oh, we're not gonna 2 hours.
Yeah. So anywho, we're doing the thermal pacing now, so I thought you might want to see this.
Look at the size of this thing. Ready?
got it in.
It took 20 minutes.
It took fucking
4 tries.
It took fucking forever. Like all these paper towels you see, this is all just because we needed to clean the fucking thermal paste.
Disgusting.
It is.
Thermal paste is liquid metal.
It's
like silver and stuff.
So fucking annoying. But
oh no, it only gets down here from here. Then I gotta connect all these goddamn wires.
That's a little easier than what we just fucking did. I'm very happy with it right now. So I just want to say something before. Can you put the light back on the cooler? Okay, I fucked up the cooler. All right, so we installed the graphics card. I think it's about like 3:30 in the morning. I don't know what time it is. Yeah, okay, I was right. We did the CPU, and cable management is a lot better now.
Oh fuck!
But the graphics card is in, and she is very pretty.
Damn, she takes a lot of power.
She takes a shit ton of power.
But
we will report back. I would just like to mention another thing for this thing. The ports are backwards. I don't know why. I'm never really gonna understand this, but they're backwards. So yeah. We got it working.
But the fun just don't stop there. No, sir.
This is the back. We need to cable manage all of this. Yeah.
So I need to go to the front.
He does. His name is Bruce. I've named him Bruce.
I named him.
His name is Bruce.
Noodles.
I love Bruce.
Crippling depression. That's what I named him.
Yeah. Yeah. His name is Bruce. This is Bruce. All right.
Actually, yeah. Take out zip ties and save the cables from that bag.
All right, let's do this. We will continue on and show where our progress goes.
The grass is frozen, there's nothing that could thaw it out. But we continue trying to burn it, there's nothing that can help us now. 'Cause every inch of earth is covered in our doubt.
Alright, so just a little update. We got it to work. It's working. Now we're installing Windows. It's gonna take a very long time, but we're probably just gonna shut it down for now. Probably see in the morning how this goes. We're so very tired. This is about 5 o'clock in the morning.
I want to wake up and I want to tackle with cable management.
Go ahead.
What?
Go ahead. I'll be right here. Sleeping.
And I need to.
All right. I hope to see this thing glowing tomorrow morning with Windows. Whoa. He was up till 7 o'clock in the morning. I was up till 6. I crashed. I woke up at 11:30, and then we started working on this thing some more. The cable management is a little bit of a problem.
I need help.
It's a big problem. Well, this has been a fun little video. Now time to edit it in this thing.
Turn back on the lights. I still gotta figure out how to do this.
Yep. See you later, peoples.
I have no idea.
What's in front of us is plain for all to see. We're taking every step